Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers and listeners and audience, Assalamu alaikum. I am Saidur Rahman, Assistant English Teacher, Mamun City Public High School, Suntia Bazar, Shodor, Jamalpur. You know, the world embraces a strict and strong virus named COVID-19. You know, we have so many limitations. We have so many limitations to run a class in the online. If you get such kind of benefit, if you get some benefit, it will be a blessing for all of you. When we run a class directly in the class, the benefits we get readily. But when we have to run a class virtually, we can't give you such kind of learnings like direct classes. We know, though we have such kind of limitations, some limitations we have to run, because this is the problem, is worldly problem. Not only for us, but also for the whole world. Today's discussing issue, today's topic is Unit 5, Lesson 1. The title of today's discussing issue is The Grid of the Mighty Rivers, or the Mighty Rivers. The rivers are very greedy. The rivers are very dangerous when they are full with water. When they are in full tide, they are very greedy, they are very dangerous. They can destroy a man's life, a family, or a society. They, without any doubt, they can damage it, because they don't know who are healthy and who are helpless. Meherjan lives in a town in the Embankment Protection town in Shirazganj. Her polythene roofed shelter looks like a cage. When she tries to make fire, some straws or fallen leaves, the flame of fire dances. The dancing fire, the flame of the dancing fire reminds Meherjan the turmoil of her life. Not long ago, not so many ago, Meherjan had everything. He had a family, she had cultivable land, she had cattle, she had children, she had husband. But now she loses everything. She has lost everything because of the greedy Jamuna, greedy Padda, greedy Meghna. Like Meherjan, there are so many, there are thousands Meherjan who are living in the society below the poverty line. They are out of the basic needs. If we see Meherjan's house, which looks like a cage, only a day, the difference, only a day. The day before, Meherjan had everything. The next day, Meherjan lost everything. That means she had cultivable land. She had husband, 2 children, and cattle. The children and husband died of disease, cruel hunger. The water carries, the tide of water carries her cattle. And bamboo bush damages the tide of the water, damages the bamboo bush. If we see in our society, if we see in the village who are living below the poverty line, they are individually Meherjan as like who lives in the Shirazganj town protection embankment. We have so many Meherjan. We had so many Meherjans who are living below the poverty line. In the assignment, in the footstep has been given to you is about the greed of the mighty rivers. You have to discuss the greediness of the rivers. You have to discuss how dangerous rivers when they are in full tide. In the assignment, you have to uphold the total issues, total topics about the greedy rivers. The mighty rivers demolish every and one's family, but they have to virtually, when we see in our eyes, it takes so much time, but when they demolish, when they damage, when they turmoil a family, they seems that within a second they can damage. People who live in the riverside, they have not such kind of surety that they can live in the next day. They will live in the next day in the riverside, because the erosion of the rivers can damage a family. The erosion of the rivers can damage a family. The erosion of the rivers can damage a village in the twinkle of an eye. Meherjan is one of them, whose family, whose landed property, whose cattle, whose bamboo bush has been damaged by the river erosion. Such kind of basic needs we have to ensure for them. If government can't take the steps to save them, they will not get the basic rights to live in the society. We should be aware about their basic needs. The man has the right to live with full dignity as a man. We have to be conscious, more conscious about this topic. We have to be aware such kind of incidents. Government should take proper step to save the river erosion, to eradicate river erosion. Government should take the proper step to save the life of humanity. Government should take the steps to save the life of the people who are living the below poverty line, because they are the citizen in our country. Government should provide all kinds of basic necessities which is needed to every man. Dear students, you should answer on the basis of the mighty rivers in the assignment. You should given a number in the fourth state. One of them you will be given, but you have to ever to answer this, because the best, better, good, and the steps needed. This is the 4 steps to evaluate your assignment. If you write excellently without any wrong, you should get the best. If you write below the line, below the best, you will get better. If you write below the better mark, you should get good. If you write below the line good or marking good, you will be given the steps needed to improvement. Dear students, I hope you will be aware, you will be conscious about writing assignment, and you will properly answer all types of assignment. Hope for the best. No more today.